Hi, I'm Tim Joyce. I run Roundstone Solutions. We're an IT infrastructure provider, been at it for a long time. And this is the first in a series of videos that we've put together to try and help IT departments make informed decisions. We've been around long enough that we've seen all different types of infrastructure come and go, and we've noticed that people tend to make decisions on what infrastructure to run their workloads really based on what they know and what they're familiar with. Most times we run into situations where users really aren't doing much of an analysis of the all the different options that might be out there to run specific workloads. If you're used to one, you tend to keep going that way. And if no one gives you any incentive to change, and if you've got no reward for the additional risk that you think you're going to be taking, you tend to stick with what you know. But what we think needs to happen is that there needs to be an analysis that's done as it relates to where a specific workload should run best and where it would help your organization most. And that's what these series of videos are going to help show. So we've put together a process that would allow you to see how something would run on one type of infrastructure versus another. And the idea isn't that there's one infrastructure that's best for everything, because there isn't. But for each workload, there may be one that's better than the other. And unless you do the analysis, you don't really ever know that. And so we're big proponents of doing your homework. And so this next series of videos, what it's going to do is it's going to show you a way to be able to tell which workload should run on which infrastructure. If you do this kind of homework, what you're going to be able to do later on is defend the decisions that you made, because at some point people will look over your shoulder to see, hey, why did you decide to run it there versus there? And this process will give you the background to be able to say, well, here's why. So we hope you'll tune in. We're going to add probably a couple of dozen videos. They'll all be short, so it's not going to take a lot of time, and they're intended not to be salesy, but to be instructive. So we hope you'll join us. Thanks for watching this first one, and we'll see you on the next one.